Alright, what's up guys? Today we're doing another trading cap. We did not take a trade though today. That's all I'm gonna say, but we're gonna say what we could have done, what I was looking at, and what I was thinking during the market. So the day is Monday 12/8/2025. Zero news. So I was excited. Be like, oh, this should be some good market conditions. We see here, boom, broken structure, uptrend, boom, 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 up. Today was a little retracement day, but let's go down to the 4 hour. The 4 hour was a little bit of a little accumulation zone, broke out into an uptrend, and then broken structure into a downtrend during London sesh. And then on the 1 hour, okay, what the hell? Hold up, wait a minute. There's a lot of shit. I don't know what those are there. Oh, wait, here. Oh, this one market closed, so let me just close that. Boom. Alright. So yeah, as you see on the 1 hour, uptrend, 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 boom, 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 boom. And then, what trade is this? Friday. I want to trade on Friday. Hmm. Alright, but yeah, London sesh. So Asia sesh goes up, boom. Into London sesh, immediately reverses, it goes down. And then reverses back up, breaks structure to the upside, boom. New York sesh opens, and I see that I just immediately boom, 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 breaking structure. After that breaking structure, I should have been looking for shorts, but instead I stuck to my bias and I was looking for highs. Cause look at this shit. Let's go to the 15 minute. So you look at the 15 minute right here. I got some fair value gaps because I thought I was gonna, after it swept these lows, or even Asia lows. I thought after it slept like maybe London session lows, it would come back up into these fair value gaps. Maybe inverse, fill them, boom, up. But no, it kept pushing down. I thought I was gonna retest, maybe off any of these. I had put a thing here for the 1 minute, I think. Yep. Oh yeah. I wanted market to come up, and if it broke structure here, maybe after this liquidity sweep, boom. Um, that's what I was looking at here. So I feel like what I could have done, I could have sensed that it was a downtrend day. I could have just put light, not as much. Like I could have risked less and done just a little bit of a shorter trade, like not as big of take profits. But that's what I probably could have done. I probably could have entered off of, these retracements up or whatever. Little accumulation zone comes back into boom. But yeah, I could have came into any of this. But yeah. What is this? Maybe I could have yeah, but I could have entered off. Comes up, this is equilibrium, comes in this order block, enter, boom. Here, uh, comes down, goes out, comes back into equilibrium, looks like, hits this order block, comes out of the order block, comes back in it, boom. Sell, come, boom, 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 up, down into the order block right here, comes back into the order block, fills this fair value gap. And then, boom, breaking structure, sell, doom. And yeah, but yeah, I could have looked for shorts today. That's what I should have done. I didn't, but yeah, we're not trading tomorrow because I have hockey practice. We're gonna be trading on Wednesday. There's FOMC on Wednesday. There's a lot of shit on Wednesday. 11 a.m., 11:30. I genuinely do not know what FNCS is. I know it's like insane. Like supposedly the market just like moves insane, like crazy. So in the morning, after market opens at 6:30, so an hour after this news, I'll probably be up at 5:30. I'll check what the news is. I'll go on a run or something. Get back, check what happened at 5:30, see if anything crazy happened. If something crazy happened, I'll just watch the market and not trade. If I see an opportunity, I'll do like a really short trade, like not like a big one with a really low risk. And yeah, and then during school I'll probably watch FOMC happen to see like what even happens to the market. Cause I know TGR is probably gonna trade. TJR is probably gonna trade on that day. Cause I know he likes to trade on FOMC because he made like $400,000 or $300,000. Damn, bro, look at that, just inverse right there, bro. Huh. But yeah, that's my oh yeah, so mark some things here. Cause this market when it opened, uh, when hold up. Yeah, when Nasdaq opened, it just immediately pushed up. When S&P opened, it pushed down. So I was kind of confused. So I should have saw that this was that Nasdaq was sweeping liquidity and ES was just going fucking down. And I should have made a trade on Nasdaq after it swept broken structure. And I could have got a trade in um off of maybe this come in from this right here comes this little order block, fills the rest of this fair value gap right here. Boom, enter, sell. I think it's also probably equilibrium, is it? Yeah. Could have entered off that and then it would have accumulated, but then shit the bed and I would have probably hit all my take profits. All these lines are just like hourly lows that I was just seeing if it could retrace back up to, and it retraced way the fuck down here. So yeah, kinda crazy. And that's pretty much all today. And see you on. Wait, actually, hold up. I might do a trade on Tuesday. Cause I do have hockey practice, but I get home at like 7:30, and market doesn't close until 8. Like, cause I trade from 6:30 to 8. Those are my trading hours. So I can maybe get in for like the last 30 minutes and maybe see what's happening. Not likely though, but I'm just gonna see what's happening. Maybe there's a trade. Who knows? But yeah. See you guys most likely on Wednesday. So, yep.